evening. Hala, good evening pala. Maligaw man at mawala. Hello. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Oh. Good evening. We're gonna be soon. We're gonna be soon. La la la. So my life, say yes, say yes. Sorry. Why you gonna be so rude? Kakulog sa diho, nakatadol man. Hello for the 1 million in the house. Thank you for the thumbs up. Take off. Shut up. You want? Take off? Huh? Say it again. Say it again. Say it again. Say it again. You wanna be so rude? Why you gonna be so rude? Thank you for the 1 million in the house. Where are others? Oh, thank you for the 6 million in the house. Thank you so much. Hello. Hi, Maharlika Anonymous. Hello, Miga. Hello, Miga. Thank you for, salamat sa pagpunta. Thank you. Taga saan po sila? Taga saan po si Amiga? Amiga. Thank you for the 15 million in the house. Thank you so much. Napadaan lang sa kaka-scroll. Thank you po. Thank you po sa pagtambay. Thank you po sa padaan-daan. Watching from Japan. Hi! From Japan. Thank you. Shout out sa mga Japan. Mahar English, please. Maharlika said, just passing by. Or just scrolling. That's why Sami Haranjan Kama. Hi, Sami Haranjan. Maharlika, tambay na rin ako, wala magawa para may kausap ka. Salamat. Thank you, Maharlika Anonymous. Thank you po. Ano po yung ginagawa niyo dyan sa Japan? Bakasyon, nagtatrabaho, may asawang Japayuki. Ano po? Nag-aaral? Salamat sa magtamsak. May tumamsak na binawi. Huwag mo nang bawin. Binigay mo na Nagkamali. Thank you. Work. Ano po yung work mo dyan? Bonjour. Tu va bien? Moi. Sabasi Michael. Thank you, Michael. Merci beaucoup, Michael. Single, lol. Single? Bakit single? Ilang taon ka na? Hi, Sami. Ranjan Kama. Thank you. Hello, Sami. Sami, hello. Sorry, 1.5 is enough. Hi, Sami, mahal. 31 years old, okay. 31 years old. Ano po trabaho sa Japan? Thank you for the thumbs up. She's not single. She's not single? Why you say that? Michael, from Michael Tion to Ubu Soraya. Soraya. Merci beaucoup, Michael Tion. Secret? Bakit secret? Bakit? May pasok secret ka pa. He asked me to wear. No, he's not asking. I'm asking if why she is in Japan. If she's working, having a Japanese husband or partner, or she's studying there in Japan. Taga saan ka, ma'am? Pilipinas. Bicol. To on from Formidable. And then he said single. Yes. She said she's single. She answered my question that if she said single, she's single. Thank you for the 8 people in the house. Thank you so much. And for the thumbs up, thank you guys. Thank you. And yes, thank you so much. Thank you for the 10 million in the house. Thank you so much. Oh, I don't understand what you said. I said, yes, because it's Tagalog, that's why. Yeah. Tita Marie. Hi, Tita! Magandang umaga dito, Cheryl. Bakit walang Tagalog sa channel mo? Pilipina ka ba? Tagalog po. Ayaw mo ba dito kay ano? Gusto niya ano eh. Hindi naman lahat. That's correct. You said in your language. Pilipina po. Nakainis. Nakainis. Nainis. Maganda nga sana pag ano eh, pag nahirapan ako mag-English kasi hindi naman ako fluent talaga. This, abiento, bisous. Bye-bye, see you later. Michael, thank you for Merci beaucoup, thank you for joining here. Thank you so much, Michael. Merci true. Thank you so much. Tissue lang katapat niyan, yung English. Ayun lang. Nosebleed ako, yes. Nosebleed. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys for joining me. GT, Remasi, Besu, Abiantu. Merci beaucoup, Michael. Thank you so much. Manuel Santos. Hi. My Harika. magtuto ka mo sila ng Tagalog, di yung tayo pinapahirapan sa English. Sila naman may sadya sa atin. Tama. Adjustment is the key. Ano na naman ka mamaya, magka-tension na naman dito, my gosh. Sinabi si Tito, may pulse ka. Ano yan? May pulse ako kanina dito. Ay, kanina nag-live kasi. Ato kanina yata nag-live ako. Nagkaroon ako ng pulse na, ano ba yung sinabi ko? If I deserve ko ba na mag-Mother Queen, then the pulse said is, marami nag-yes. So, kasi magkakandidata ako tita dito sa amin kasi mag-fiesta. Dito sa amin, magkakandidata ako as a Mother Queen. So, it's a money contest. That's why I asking if I deserve to be a Mother Queen. So, the poll said, many vote are yes. I deserve it. Cheryl, oh my god, English. Yes, I speak English. Anyways, God day sa'yo dyan. Got to go. Thank you, Maharlika Anonymous. Thank you for joining. Thank you so much. Hi, Manuel. May pull ako dito kanina sa live. Kaya ganon. Grabe, good luck, Cheryl. Deserve mo yan talaga. Thank you, tita. Thank you po. Sana manalo. Sana manalo. I'm asking for help to my friends. A little amount it helps a lot. Thank you, tita. Thank you. Oh. Thank you for the 4 people in the house. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye. Sobrang maganda ka ang talent. Hindi beauty pageant.
Tita!
Ha?
Ay, hulog!
Ambo, tiko ano? Ay, body si Jocelyn. Nag-ihiyaga. Nagkade?
Anak ko, ikugan!
Ay, body. Saan unihi yun doon?
Mag-ambit si Taya.
Ay, nagkapaliti lang.
Kaya ka di naiiyan.
Butangan mo karton para ma-absorb anong karton. Para
Ano na lang yung tungkol na mga.
Ayan, magbabahoa!
hindi siya beauty pageant, ano siya, money contest.
Hindi ba di si Baby Jazz? Pinakuha na ito yung kunan.
Kung beauty, pageant, wala akong panalo.
Kaya nga, nawaran.
Hindi ako, dito sa Pilipinas, hindi ako kagandahan. Alam mo na dito sa atin, importante yung,
Timbang-timbang ko.
skin color, shape of body, like that. Exit muna, meron na point print ako, ingat ka palagi. Thank you, tita. Thank you so much, tita. Thank you for joining here. God bless. Take care. I'm. Tapos na? Sino gana?
Ano? 5.
Hmm.
Pierde ano? Ay ano?
Pira ang lamang.
Pero yan to.
Sino nakakuha ng sapatos?
Ay, may hatag na
Kung
sapatos?
sino ang dagan ng tres?
Ay, di ko na nabati. Ang 3 points?
Oo. Dapat sa irarom.
Ha?
Sa irarom, tapos sa ibabaw. Kay araw na ano.
Sa irarum ha. Kita nagmandok ang baby Jess ha.
Ako man, busy pati ako nag-live. Ay, tapos na ba? Uli na ako pala. Kay Sigab.
Balik ka na?
Okay, Sigab para wala taban tayo dili. Bye-bye. Oh, man, ikaw man. At wala. Sa kawalan. The basketball is ano, gone. Oh, where did you leave? They're going to sleep. And Gab, no, he live here. Basketball, finish basketball na. That's why I'm going to my new room. Okay. Where Dad is sleeping? She is sleeping. He's sleeping. Gab is sleeping. Okay. Okay. Welcome. Bakit? No. No, not that okay. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining, guys. Love you all. Okay. Okay, as for Gab sleeping. Okay. Okay, sorry. I misunderstand. Sorry naman. No problem. See, I told you that a lot of people are traveling for today. Ah, okay. Traveling for today. Because of weekend. So that's why it's so slow from the USA. Okay. Umikot man. Yes, because of the 4th of July, it's our Independence Day. Ah, okay. Bye. Yeah, okay. So you're going outside now, today? You're going outside today? Sony, yes, until 9 p.m. Ah, okay. I was ice cream all day. Ah, okay. You work today? All day? Yes, until 9 p.m. Wow. Huh? Why? Okay, bye-bye. I end the live now. Thank you guys. Love you all. Thank you for joining. Bye.